Hi everyone. So before going into the details, I'll preface this by sharing why enterprises should integrate AI into their tooling and systems. First and foremost, enterprises do depend on data, but in reality, most of it is unstructured, inconsistent, and disconnected. Telemetry comes from multiple systems that don't talk to each other. Each misaligned signal creates noise that hides what truly matters. The result? A constant battle between chaos and clarity. So the question is, why does manual issue reporting fail and even automation does not deliver much? It's because tools are in silos. Traditional reporting isolates problems one at a time, never the pattern behind them. We lack traceability. We lack root cause analysis. Disparate tools create fragmented visibility and endless triage loops. Analysts spend days cleaning logs and reconciling metrics. Teams are always cleaning up data, only to publish insights that are outdated before they are used. Why? Because most of them are band-aids. Most of the solutions do not scale. So complexity multiplies faster than it can be managed. So how do we move from raw data to structured insight? AI brings order to the chaos. AI architecture continuously detects gaps and restructures broken data. Now think of data that is in spreadsheets, Google Sheets, tooling, databases. Sometimes you have it in static images or PDFs that have to be translated by someone into a database. They're prone to error because of many hands in the tools. So AI contextualizes telemetry, logs, and generates metrics into structured layers. Over time, patterns emerge, context deepens, and insight becomes predictable. This is where raw data evolves into operational intelligence. At the core lies an orchestration engine that learns, optimizes, and self-corrects. It identifies drift and resolves inconsistencies automatically. Each correction feeds into new intelligence back into the system. So the system becomes self-learning and self-correcting. You then have AI informing the tools on what should be improved and not the other way around. So this creates a continuous loop of learning and improvement. The outcome isn't just automation, it's evolving clarity on where the business should go. So as we move from data chaos to AI-driven clarity, we are able to notice tangible, measurable, explainable, and scalable improvements, faster anomaly detection, and smarter decision loops. We notice reduced manual triage and consistent data-driven outcomes. Every insight aligned to performance, reliability, and trust. Thank you.